Check the viscosity.
It's at the target level.
Good. Add the stabilizers. Ready for the test? Type 1A gel block aligned.
Confirmed. Proceed with the shot.
Firing now.
Impact registered. Forces 2.8 kN within spec.
Excellent. That's a pass. Shine it here. See the porous clusters?
Yes, they're illuminated. Let's check the next panel.
This area shows higher density. Note it.
Flagging it. UV reveals every detail.
This coating bonds well.
Let's test the contact angle. See that? Near 120 degrees. Excellent.
Yes, very hydrophobic. Good work. Applying the coating now. Watch the surface. Copy that. Next panel ready. See the scratches healing? That's the autonomous tech. Incredible. Almost seamless. Aligning the grid, 1,200 points per square meter must be perfect.
Calibrating now. The density is holding.
Good. Secure the edges. Next unit incoming.
Edges secured. Ready for testing.
Threading complete. Ready for pressurization.
Confirmed. Proceed with the test.
Inflating now. Monitoring elasticity. Test successful. Releasing pressure. Applying the silicone coating now. Watch the scratches heal. It's already closing the burn marks. Incredible. The autonomous repair is seamless. Next panel. Perfect. This is a game changer. This batch is going on smoothly. Keep the alignment tight. Yes, this panel is secure now. Moving to the next. Overhead is done. Panels are powering up. Confirmed. Energy readings are climbing.
Let's check the lordosis angle on this segment for the larger body type.
Running the final pass now. The measurement is 15 degrees. That's a match for the profile. Confirmed. Moving to the next batch. Skeletal component is machined. Ready for the 2,000-pound crush test. Placing it now. Initiating test. Holding steady at 2,000. No failure. Excellent. Meet spec. Align the grid. We need 1,200 points per square meter. Confirmed. Density is optimal. Patching the next section now. Good. Proceed to calibration. Machining this skeletal component from carbon fiber. Precision is key.
Looks solid. Ready for the 2,000-pound crush test?
Initiating the crush resistance test now. Target met, 2,000 pounds. It passed. Check this joint clearance. It's right at the tolerance. Copy that. I'll log it. Good. Let's check the next one. This one is clear. Initiating inspection of internal joint clearances. Copy that. Screen is live. I'm seeing some variance here. Can you confirm? Confirmed. Within tolerance. All clear.
Alignment is spot on. Hologram integrity confirmed.
Excellent. Package it for shipment.
Initial patterns are set. Ready for the power cycle test.
Confirmed. Monitoring retention now. Excellent. The learned behaviors are stable.
Logging the results. Inserting the chip now for the 500-degree test.
Confirmed. Chamber is sealing. Look at that. 500 degrees and still functional.
Excellent. The DNA encoding is stable.
Line speed optimized. Neural pattern integrity at 99.9%.
Synapse connections are aligning perfectly. Ready for the next batch.
Confirmed. Proceeding to scale. These graphene supercaps give 72 hours per charge. Let's get them installed.
Copy that. Aligning the unit now for the test.
Good. Monitor the voltage. We need full stable. Ready for the next one. Programs loaded. Starting the face contour pass now. Copy that. Chip flow looks good. Hopper's catching everything. Perfect. Once this pass finishes, we can start polishing. Sounds good. These molds are coming out clean. Setting the threshold to 1.5 meters.
Calibrating sensor. Target is 5 millivolts.
Confirmed. Trigger is active.
Adjusting diffusion rate to 10 meters per second.
Ready for test. Adjusting phase for realistic inhale-exhale.
I'll check the waveform. Attaching stethoscope.
Sounds good. Clear lung sounds. Microfacial recognition module is online. Testing personalized modes. Good. First cycle complete, 99.87%. Second cycle, 99 parameters. Run it again. We have it. This laser sintering process cures silicone hypersonically, cutting cycles by 300%. Observe the real-time cycle. Material integrity is perfect. No degradation. Initiating 5,000 cycle bend test on elbow joint.
Logging initial data, tablet synced.
Cycle 2500, no cracks visible.
Agree, deformation is minimal.
Sensor locked, check the alignment.
Alignment confirmed, wiring is stable.
Initiating stability test, watch the axes. Good response, minimal drift, test passed. Check the embedding depth on these sensors.
Applying mist now, watching for surface response.
Reading stabilizing, increased to 90% for peak test. Agreed, boosting humidity. Surface reacting, looks good. All right, coil seated, moving to test.
Initiating chi penetration test, 2-inch depth.
Confirmed, power transfer is
Efficiency at
safe.
92%, test complete.
Let's run the calibration for the full 10,000 scent profiles.
Sensors are ready, starting the sequence now.
Look at that curve, perfectly matching the human scent data.
Confirmed, all systems are stable.
Status on the transatlantic link. Fiber is stable, initiating quantum handshake. Good, calibrate the phase for the dolls.
Phase locked, dolls are synchronized globally.
Excellent, log it and proceed to the next batch. Pressure's holding steady at 15 psi.
Good, mine's forming now.
Increasing to 20 psi for the next batch.
Looks good, this one's ready. Pressure holding steady, seal integrity confirmed.
Good, load the next quick change module.
Next module aligned, running final seal test.
Alignment is close, check the tolerances.
Scanning, neural net projects 0.08 millimeter.
Adjusting lumbar support. Good, verify the anatomical model. Model synced, accuracy is 99.92% stable. Excellent. Watch the fiber alignment on that one. Got it, making the tendon lines now.
These patterns are looking very realistic.
We're machining the toe separations now for a perfect custom fit.
Scanning celebrity feet for a high-fidelity digital replica. The digital model is updating in real time. Almost complete.
Pressure holding steady at 2500.
Good. Cycle complete, ejecting torsos. Next batch ready for molding.
Careful, the skin texture is delicate. Flawless. Mark it with the blue tape. Veins are aligned, moving to pressurization.
Copy that. Activating system now.
Pressure looks stable. Alignment is spot on, ready for the next strut. Good, clamp it while I seal this joint. Here comes the torque wrench. Got it, perfect tension. Material fatigue is starting at -20 freeze, the plastic is cracking.
Confirmed. I will hunt for freeze. The joints are more rapid.
The thermal data shows clear weak points.
Good. Log the results and move to the next batch.
Starting install on the first 50 gland locations.
Copy that. Aligning the next panel.
Pumps are syncing, proceeding to the next 50.
Good. Keep the rhythm steady. Biometric inputs are syncing, but the emotional contagion layer needs tuning.
I'm rerouting the feedback loop. That should stabilize the response. Good. We need seamless alignment with human biometrics. Confirmed. Sync looks solid. Excellent. All right, this one's ready for the pouch.
Got the pouch. Here you go.
Sealing now. Looks good.
Case is open. Ready?
Perfect. Next one.
Coating the torso section now.
Bringing the silicone drums to station 2.
Next mold is prepped.
Next batch for Europe. Confirmed packaging. Confirmed. Proceed to shipping. International line clear. Sending now. Starting the test. First block on. Copy. Adding mine now. Second block placed. Holding steady. Confirmed. Building up to capacity. Final block. Test complete. Servos are synced. Run the first profile.
Running test 1. Loading neutral expression.
Cables are secure. Ready for the next. Good. Moving to expression 2.
Success. 3 out of 47. Uploading the humor and empathy modules now.
Modules integrated. Ready for validation.
Initiating conversational test. Hello, how was your day?
My day was productive. How about yours? All right, initiate calibration sequence. Test weight shifts in the first pose.
Sequence started. Monitoring load cells.
Good. Now adjust the actuators for the arm race.
Distribution is optimal.
Confirmed. Next pose.
Okay, humor index at 60. Let's test sarcasm detection.
Sarcasm is the body's response to solid.
I'm Felipe Versus Phil's check for
How does then your concern? Second for ready.